When we look at Captain Sam Pecorino's old 24-foot dual-console proline, it conjures two meaningful images. First, a gleeful young charter captain thrilled with an innovative new vessel offering shallow water performance with offshore stability. But more importantly, it symbolizes that special moment when a vision took form, a dream became reality, and the very first proline boat left a humble shop at the Crystal River Airport in 1968. 4 decades later, Proline now owns Captain Sam's old boat, after acquiring this vintage vessel in exchange for a brand new Proline. Captain Sam was thrilled with the deal, but so were we. Why? Because this weathered vessel, still operational today, represents the pride and craftsmanship that has carried this small-town company to a big-time milestone, our 40th anniversary. During Proline's dynamic history, we've seen 8 U.S. presidents, 112 space shuttle launches, and the delivery of thousands of Prolines to boaters around the world. Renowned oceanographer Jacques Cousteau brought celebrity status to Captain Sam's boat by hiring that original Proline to film a documentary on manatees in Crystal River's famous springs. Today, Proline offers just as much memory-making potential. From charter captains guiding fishermen for trophy catches, to parents teaching young anglers how to cast. From tournament pros seeking competitive glory, to lifelong friends toasting birthdays on intracoastal cruises. Proline has become the boat for all ages, the boat for all experiences. Initially, Proline designed boats for professional fishing guides. Sturdy, dependable vessels with a wide range of operational ability delighted those who made their living on the water. Understandably, these traits attracted widespread interest, and what was once the industry's best-kept secret quickly emerged as the nation's premier boat builder. We're the company that first gave casual boaters the same level of performance that pros demand. At every step, we've honored our roots and built our reputation on honesty, integrity, and a product that speaks for itself. Consider some of the key points from our history. 1968. Dan Atwood and his father Ray incorporate as Proline Boats and sign Crystal Outboard Motors as its first dealer. 1970. Proline moves to our current corporate facility with major expansions in 1971, 74, and 87. 1972. Proline makes its first trade show appearance at the International Marine Trades Exhibit and Conference in Chicago. 1973. Proline introduces its first cuddy cabin model, 24-foot. 1979. Proline develops its first Deep V model 23 center console with cabin version. 1981. Proline introduces Walk-Around Cabin Series and sells an unprecedented 36 units at New York Boat Show. 1986. Proline is sold to New York Investment Group, headed by Louis Ranieri, Lee Kimmel, and Ken Wilson. 1991. Johnny Walker joins Proline and launches a new era of design and production. 1992. Proline comes into the corporate family of American Marine Holdings. 1994. Proline develops fiberglass integrated structural technology, FIST, which replaces wood with composite coring and delivers lighter boats with lower maintenance requirements. 1995. Lee Kimmel becomes CEO of AMH and invigorates Proline with business savvy. 2001. Captain Chris Chase wins Southern Kingfish Association Angler of the Year title in 34-foot Proline center console. 2001. Proline sells 144 center consoles, 24-footers, to the Mexican government for law enforcement, our largest governmental contract. 2006. Captain Steve Quinlan of Team Strike Zone wins his second consecutive Shark Hunters Tournament title in a Proline that he won for his 2005 victory. 2006. Johnny Walker becomes General Manager of Proline, bringing more than 25 years of industry expertise into full focus. Proline signed its first dealer in 1968. Since then, our international network has expanded to include representation reaching as far as Kuwait and Japan. Over the years, we've weathered the storms of economic downturns and scaled the heights of sky-high demand. We've embraced technology to optimize efficiency and leveraged industry developments to maximize our quality control. We kept the dream alive, and we've kept Proline afloat because Proline keeps your boating dreams afloat. Some might look at 40 years in this industry and think, that's a lot of boats. Yeah, we've built a bunch. But we look at the past 4 decades and think, that's a lot of satisfied Proline owners. Throughout its history, Proline has set the industry standard for quality and dependability. We've built this consistency by perfecting a formula with no room for error and no tolerance for compromise. We know how to build boats the right way, and for us, that's the only way. The Proline difference includes lamination fixation. We laminate our hulls with a process and materials exceeding the requirements of Lloyd's Registry of Shipping. We apply laminates by hand for a flawless finish and squeegee excess resin to minimize weight and yield the overall proper resin to fiberglass ratio. Multi-axial fabrics improve laminate strength and overall sturdiness. Resonating resin. Only high-quality marine resin satisfies our demands for strength and cosmetics. We demand the best because we build the best. Code of class. High-quality ISO NPG gel coat finish provides durability and a long-lasting shine. Proline applies 25 mils for strength while still maintaining flexibility and performance. Fist packs a punch. Proline's proprietary fiberglass integrated structural technology, Fist, provides the rock-solid foundation for all of our boats. Proline completely eliminates wood rot with fiberglass stringers that we laminate to the hull for a superior one-piece hull system. We also use high-tech coring material, which means less weight and no water absorption. Only interior cabinetry is made of wood. A cut above. Fiberglass and coring materials are pre-cut and kitted for each boat to ensure quality and consistency. Attention to detail complements our precision processes. Unbreakable bonds. A Proline's hull-to-deck joint is bonded with an adhesive sealant and secured with stainless steel fasteners to provide a strong, watertight union. The rub rail is secured through the deck and hull at pre-drilled intervals with sealed stainless steel fasteners. The bow area and transom are glassed together, and strong polyester putty bonds the deck to the stringers. This fortified process gives Proline boats a solid one-piece construction that keeps you safe and comfortable on the water. Keep it cool and lively. Foam-insulated fish boxes and coolers keep ice frozen longer, while insulated live wells maximize bait life. Such unseen elements bespeak Proline's dedication to customer satisfaction. Locked down. Aircraft-style lock nuts prevent loosening, while aluminum backing plates keep bolts in place, even under heavy loads. Through-bolted stainless steel hardware yields maximum strength and solidity, with a clean look for the life of your Proline. Wired for success. Proline boats are rigged with top-quality braided marine-grade wire. Each connection is heat-shrunk and sprayed to prevent corrosion. Sealed Dutch connectors are used for maximum corrosion protection, and all wiring is color-coded to meet NMMA specifications. Commitment to quality. Long-term partnerships with suppliers ensure product consistency and reliable technical support. We don't shop by price. We shop to find the best materials for your Proline. Since that first 24-footer left our facility in '68, we've focused on what really matters, producing superior quality boats packed with value and built with a tradition strong enough to last 40 years. And back it all with the best warranty in the business. Step aboard a Proline, and you're stepping into history.